What we're going to do here is we're going to cut something on the saw. Now, saw's getting pretty gross down in there. It's just about time for the clean out, but we can still get a few more cuts out of this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure the track is free of anything that might get in there. Now, this is a pretty small stone to cut, and what this is kind of cool. This is red tiger's eye. I'm trying to figure out where the best spot to cut this is. But we're going to try to take a little nub off of it right there. See what happens. So, we're going to lift this up. We're going to put this in here. We're going to yank this down nice and tight. This is so small that I could easily drop it in the oil and it would be a heck of a mess. But it's almost getting warm enough here to start bringing the equipment back online and doing some cool stuff with it. Okay. So, I've got a good 1/4 of an inch here. Getting that down nice and tight. Now, we'll spin this one down. So, really appreciate all the support on YouTube, guys. We've grown in numbers. We're almost at 270. We actually hit 270 the other night, and then suddenly we were lower. I don't know how that happened, but kind of a cool thing. All right, so right now, putting that pressure on that rock. We got those 2 flat points I can grab hold of. Okay, so we're going to make sure that rock ain't moving. It's nice and solid. So there's a little wheel in here. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this wheel, here, see the wheel?
Right
here?
Yeah.
All right, so turning this wheel is going to adjust where this saw cuts. So we're going to bring this in, and we're going to eyeball it. So we're looking right down the line of the saw so we don't cut into anything. All right. I'm going to take that slab just a little thick. Right about there is perfect. All right, so I want you to take a look at what I got here. We're right down the line. Okay, everything's in, everything's secure, everything's ready to go. All right, so we're going to back away here. We're going to go ahead and close this lid. Now, we're going to make sure our feed is in the on position, which I always leave mine on the on position. Now I have this cool little chain that'll actually pull and shut this off when I'm done. So this is my lower tone saw. It is a wonderful saw. We have cut so much stuff on it. It works by the motor up here turning a belt that turns the spindle wheel that turns the blade. So all we have to do is flip it on. Would my camera girl like to do the honors? She can reach out here and pull it back toward me. Boom. That saw is active. It is running. Now I could move it up, but I'm just going to let it ease into that rock since it is such a small rock. We'll let it take its time. So we're going to go ahead and stop the video now and come back a little later. All right, sounds like our stone dropped. We're going to flip the switch. We're going to open it up here. Why don't you swing on in here? Oh boy. Oh boy. What did I cut? What did we cut here today? What is this? How gorgeous is that? Who knows what this one is? This is red tiger's eye. Look at that. Look at the way the light rays just bounce in that. So, we cut a beautiful slice of red tiger's eye. Go ahead and yank the saw back. Now, I actually have enough room there that if I wanted to, I could pull another slice, but I'm not going to. Instead, we're going to undo it. We're going to take that little piece out. There you go, guys. Red tiger's eye. Might try to take a slice off that side too. That looks really good. That's got some nice dance to it. So the oil makes everything real pretty. So once we're done cutting with the oil, where does it go? into the cat litter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so back up a little. Let's place these two down here in the litter barrel with everything else that we've recently cut. We'll just set it down there and let the cat litter suck the oil off of it. And it'll be ready to cut at the Rock Club next time.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty soon it'll be warm enough we can use our shop. But for right now, it's kind of cold out here. So, this is the Rock Dad and Arlie, or the girl with the rock on her head.
Mm.
We'll catch you later.